And the topic and it say
when 5K straight up.
Oh, sir. Because the person feels like having sex or partner, so say I don't feel like doing it. It's the partner obey to make your partner happy when you don't feel, when you are not in the mood to have sex. Men start here free, Papa is so straight. What would you say about today's topic? And then I'll be comfortable.
Also, topic is a very important one. Then, a partner beside sex, with me 89.
89.
I mean, can't as a mention for a more noxy at the way down. Sex in our room. We see the level of commitment.
Okay.
What I say? Any the emotional connection when you pan a woman, anytime be our partner, like I say, and then no, me person can only be whether you like it or not. Also, heading, or partner, then heading.
Oh, man, I need you to be satisfied.
Yes, because when you say sex echoes for our remote, there's some certain things be ethical. What I say? But remember, the most important thing be say sex echoes for our remote, so sex is good our remote. Breakups in your divorce in your there be any jail then will fear. When you say sex a solution to so many issues. And it's a how be crazy our remote. That's a you we can't no we can't. What they say at the end I say now what the service we say we don't want to share we ask a cry. Our Christian idea no abuse and the both know. Or should be at the end of that when you can hit here into the crowd about back jam in your and period. The modern side was a young papa. Kids die.
Now before not second. Not to say dear here.
Here papa what can we no?
Dear.
Fancy no.
Na bujeni and for kata so. Dear no here pa. I will be BM. I will worry. I will relationship. Na enti maybe say obia or my kwai mobi dini bia so na kire say odon.
There be.
Oh, okay. Let's say here how many percent?
A dear one to me dear
99.
Make us a 90 straight.
Hey! Oh
yes, I didn't head that like I said.
Sir,
I didn't head that. I said other things you can get even better the car. But men can't add out in a relationship, I didn't manage China sex.
Okay.
They can't add out. And until now, if any saying say Bema, the whole children fast, not baby after wako pay if any saying indroya and then you do not see not one only sharp. What I say, maybe we say more match, nothing won't say match and heavier. Me prepare.
So brow.
Oh yes.
I want to ask and give us issue.
Yes, it's
and yes, I want him begwasi.
Yes.
Now could share the more pan one more lady. And then come what would you say? So when it's like you want to have sex and your partner is not ready to have sex with you, mommy, how is the feeling like? Morale the car to sing.
Well, Michia Abujane, I should phone nanny, it's typhoon. Hey, and the topic here, I'm not them
pa. It was tough.
So person no partner. India grow and Paswa grow. Now we deny, so I don't feel like so I'm president.
Yeah.
Well, it's okay, it's fine. Say, one can say we're brand. I don't feel like.
Yeah.
But it's up to the partner. Say Obama, Monya, they decide finally. Say, or failure and so on.
Failure.
Yeah. And the other thing is, why should we expect ourselves to be in the mood?
Yeah.
Like always be in the mood before we have sex?
Yeah.
No, it shouldn't be like that. But it's up to the partner. Say Obama, the other person who is not in the mood to be in the mood. I don't know how will you go about it. And obey anything. Yes.
Okay.
No, I didn't say me back.
Okay.
I don't know. When I was saying, oh, you be only pan bag getting in the mood.
Okay.
And yes, I'll quack so meet and I'll quack so.
Okay.
Baby, say your banner started. Na sumo ho, ne kumo ho. I mean, ne po ne wo ho.
Okay.
Plate ne so ho. It started free na sumo. Fa o catch money ra ho. Na fear di bedu ne kon. Udu ne boss na o don sa for ha so ni nufu na. De di agra don sa ba kwa ba se ho. Enye so don say ra ho de bi. Gra don sa ba kwa ba se ho. And yes, what don't say Raho, they be, would the dear grossa, won't buy a 9 times side, no. Then they won't son, she's in few, oh, kaboom, sir, Ubunane, was starting action at Tono, Sabu Jane, or chink a crank a crack. Now catch a man that's what soon may dear grow. See, I don't know, not as a honest debt. Oh, honor in Canada pay. See, I don't know, start here. We are the one who knew woman on Sunday Street Ratto Crony. Sir, Honor Bones pipe near Flunkaka. Not cheer me or Baku or Bear Mansua. And there, what's none of Muntia lessons, no. And they are what's none of I started the dear girl. Only show and that time's not sure one try to do. But they catch a money fresh one as they are not their best a channel or what's none. Now they call form, sir. Not share me or ban a bear ma or say I'm not in them. I don't feel like. Okay. Not share me or ban a bear ma. Okay. It's normal, say one can say I don't feel like. But you but the other partner to accept it, say, who feel it and I said won't feel it. Yes. I see. I see. I don't feel like. Okay. Ube to me get me into the mood. Okay, so what if say Oba Lady Moore I'll put you in the mood still? Joe say I said I'm not in the mood. Sometimes in the other way, no. Some people are boring in bed. Binum one or more and password one so boring. Okay. And I say you man on so that. Okay. Just say oh how cramp or ne partner near a bedding password one more ni panocraft and one so that one. Into any panocram who say oh bound woman across that year just say oh money yats in KB always be a say only paba banana or try but sex the any pam you need and nipa back to me fan. Okay. But even me so boring now. Sex education or form. Okay, Papa. Yeah. What will you say about everything you're born to offer? Well, me person me boa nkofu kakra about it. Unse ebodin no hwa enye kasa ne nko an say e den nko so famu aba. Yes. Nte me person me nkofu points 9. Okay. Ah say odofo ana say ohukani ana partner any mood mo obeti my ma wa den. Wa ba mood no. And for the benefit of our foreign audience, first I will make the points in English and then I'll bring them in our local language. The first one is sweet talks. When your partner is not in the mood to have sex, you should know the right words to say. Very important. Okay. Then the second one is tender touches. Okay. Tender touches. Okay. Then I also have touching the right spot. Okay. It is important, touching the right spot. Then finally, knowing the right time to penetrate. Okay. From that quickly. So obenya kasade. So obane bofu, emane bofu. Unya ade na obedi, unya tonga na obetu. O just say, o tin ko na say master, me da ba me kon hu, so ba me ndiu. O just say, yen kan say so do you. Patch me. O say me ne wa, sweetheart. Oh, e be promise you. Na won say na wo kasa no, na fe na tender touches me na e ba o. Say o so no e so boni. That's what there. Okay, say, me sorry. Now on sign home. Now you see now on home. What I say, and a friend is saying, third one here, touching the right spot. Touching the right spot. Nipa no a corner ba o be we na fe na koso na mini. Koso ni training. You can feel me and the week cry and okay. So right piece. Then the last one here. So be who emiri I also hear them what they contain shim. Okay. What I say? O ba no home for ye. O for so that she be plan no. Okay. Then we. Okay. Inti mun share there. Every budget so. O for some points we are and one. Okay. Ebefa. Too sure. Too sure. Mommy, I didn't know Obeka. Yaka bebre. Me dear, Nanka say ya bomb man honum na. Final words ne so ya command beman. Yes, who to a craft now to my money for a man so. Okay. To me share one boxer for like a year. Okay. It's very bad. Okay. A woman say Momo Tokro na ho. Okay. But in candy to me ko baby. I'm going to see hopeful much to be neat for us. Okay. And yes, sir, if you guys are not clean, when you people come, we will reject you. The most needs my empire very necessary. It's in a monshare and console. Now, Abibia, send a yedi can kind of Jane and one into all. We are making sure Saturdays be out with you, but 1 hour sharing. Yeah, also a mum. Okay.